a fabulous program called the Splash program, and we are able to have the opportunity to learn swimming safety, core values as far as the WISE core values, and then safety rules, and just learning techniques in the water that'll make us better swimmers.
So Splash is one of our free programs at the YMCA, and we bring in second graders from schools around our community, and we give them free swim lessons for 6 weeks. So they're able to participate at no cost to them. We provide swimsuits, we provide towels, and we really emphasize water safety in Splash. Whether they're at a public pool or if they're in a backyard pool, we're teaching them the rules about the pool, we're teaching them what to do if their friend is in trouble in the water, or how to roll over onto their back if they feel like they're getting tired. I feel like it's the perfect age because they're very young, they're like little sponges, they can soak up the information, and they're gonna take that information that they learn in Splash, like all of those pool rules, that water safety, knowing that they need to have an adult in the pool. They're gonna take that with them as they get older. So I think it's extremely important that they learn it at a young age.
There are all ranges. So we have kids who are very experienced swimmers and very comfortable in the water, all the way to kids who they don't go very often and they're a little bit afraid, and they're learning how to conquer that fear and learn those skills and safety techniques that make them feel better about being in the water.
I like to swim a lot, and I like how they teach us how to stay safe in the water, not really teach us the strokes. Yeah, that's why I like it. You might not know if it's deep, and what if you can't swim and you might drown? And if you don't know the pool rules or the swimming rules, you might die.
We want to thank the Y so much. I mean, right from the very beginning, they were right at our best to pick us up and take us right on in, and they've made us feel comfortable, and they've given us all the things that we need. If we forget a swimsuit or a towel, they're so accommodating, and we absolutely love the staff here, and the program here is just thumbs up from us. So we're really excited to be able to have this opportunity.